Wasabi and soy sauce. Yeah, buddy. That's what's up.
So I'm just chilling here enjoying some wasabi and soy sauce almonds. And I thought to myself, man, the new 400Z is a really nice looking car. But I wonder what the Nismo version might look
Ladies
like.
and gentlemen, with
This is Key, guys. Welcome to another episode of Kees Cars. So let's talk Z cars. Nissan debuted the Fairlady Z in November of '69 and quickly brought it to the US badged as the Datsun 240Z in '71. This car combined sold over 500,000 units and has since become a legend in the car world. Fast forward to the late '70s where we've got a small refresh with the Nissan 280Z. And then, of course, we break into the '80s where we hit the Nissan 300ZX. The ZX was introduced to American markets in 1983 and actually won the 1985 All Japan Rally Championships. It also brought with it some updates like standard air conditioning and leather seats. The fourth generation 300ZX hit in 1989, which came with a refreshed body style, also upgraded suspension and a little bit more power and a 5-speed manual transmission. Again, these cars have been legendary in the car world. And then we come to the fifth and sixth generation cars, the 350 and the 370Z. The 350Z came in with about 287 horsepower when it was brand new, a 6-speed manual transmission, and it became a great driver's car and has remained to this day a great driver's car that people are turning into drift cars and track day cars all day long. And the 370Z has continued to hold that tradition with a little bit of a bump in power. It's coming up over 330 horsepower, and again, it's a great driver's car. So, with the upcoming 400Z, the Proto, I wonder what the new Nismo version of this car is going to look like. Okay, guys, so let's start off by addressing the proverbial square in the room, i.e. this front grille opening. I don't mind it because this is kind of a Z car design element. You know, Z cars have had square-ish front grills since they first brought them out. And so I don't really mind it. I think that it could benefit from a little bit more of a taper. And so, you know, something that looks a little bit more, just kind of bring it out, maybe just a little bit more, maybe just a bit more. Okay, so not as square. I think other people have done similar designs, but I think something like that might look really cool. What I do want to do is, like this grille element in here, I really like what's going on with the design here, but I wonder if we brought it a little bit lower, and I can already see, I think those are air intakes that are inside here. You can kind of see something going on here. If I zoom in, like you can actually see inside there. Those might be air intakes. They might be some sort of intercooler piping. Who knows? They might just be a design element. Who knows what's going on in there? But I really like actually what's going on in there. I wish that this were a little bit lower for a couple of reasons. I want to see what it would look like if there was a little bit more meat on this section. So if this kind of lined up with where that comes down and there is just a little bit more body color there. So going right across there, if we brought that body color down just a little bit, I want to see what it looks like. I just want to see. So we add that on with the taper of the grille. I don't know. I might be wrong. I think it might look pretty cool. So that's one of the small body changes that I want to add on here. I just want to give this a little bit more beef and have it be a little bit more reminiscent of the original design that had the big chrome bumper that went across the front of it, right? It had a little bit more meat up there. The other thing I want to address is the fact that it looks like there are supposed to be vents here, but there aren't. I can only assume, and I've seen other designers address this as well. It looks like they want to put vents there. It looks like they probably will put vents there, but there are not vents there, and it's kind of strange. I also want to play with this line here and see what it might look like maybe if we brought it back to a fender. I don't know. We'll play with that one just to see what that might look like if we tapered that up and kind of connected it to all the body lines that are going on here, up to the light, back here to back to the back panel. Obviously, you know, that's going up to that shoulder line, which is a huge shoulder line. I love the design of this car. Other than that, I'm going to add some accents that'll make it kind of Nismo. Probably change out the wheels. So we'll change out the wheels here. Add a nice fat wing on the back. Probably some type of side skirt, even though I like what's going on here. But maybe just extend that down, add some red on there, extend down the front splitter and add some red onto that because, you know, Nismo, and maybe a carbon fiber hood. Carbon hood. Yeah. All right, guys, I think I've got a plan. So let's get into this. We're about to key the new Nissan Z. Let's key this car. And there you go, guys. That's my version of what a potential Nismo 400Z could look like. If this is the future of the Japanese sports car market, I'm totally in. 300ZX has been one of my dream cars for a long time, and if what they do looks anything like this, I'm totally on board. So if you guys like the video, again, please subscribe, smash that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you like, what you might dislike. I'm going to keep uploading videos, and hopefully the channel will grow, and I love to see you guys engaging with the content. So thanks again for watching. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All right, take care, guys.